Hi everybody! Today we are going to make slow cooker Parmesan garlic chicken wings today. So we need 2-pound chicken wings, 1/2 stick butter melted, and we need 4 cloves of garlic mix, 2 tablespoons dried parsley, 1½ cup freshly grated Parmesan divided, kosher salt, and fresh ground pepper. Let's begin.
So I have my granddaughter. She's from South Dakota. She's here to visit. She's going to help me make these. This is Penelope.
Hi.
She's going to put the chicken wings into the crock pot. Every time she comes and visits, we usually do a video. She's good at this. So next we're going to mix up the sauce. Take a large bowl. So the first thing we're going to do is put in the melted butter in there.
Okay.
Put in the melted butter. Careful, it's hot. And that was 1/2 stick of butter, 4 teaspoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to put in salt and pepper to taste. There's the kosher salt, just a little bit, and the fresh ground pepper. And then she's going to mix it up until it's fully combined.
It smells good already, guys.
Let me know when you get it all mixed up.
How would I know?
You know what? I think you pretty much got it all mixed up. So we'll take the mix and Penelope's going to spread it over all of the chicken wings.
Okay, I'm going to add some more.
Don't drop this. Next we're going to put the lid on. All right, so next we will turn it on high.
Where?
Go this way.
This?
Yeah. One more. On high for 2.5 to 3 hours. All right, so it's been over 3 hours. We're going to take the chicken out of the crock pot. So we're going to broil these. We'll take the 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, sprinkle it on the chicken wings, and then we'll put it under the broiler for about 5 minutes. It's the slow cooker Parmesan garlic wings, and Penelope will explain all about it. What did you do with the chicken? Did you put them in the slow cooker?
So I put them in a slow cooker and we could just cook it for a while.
And what did you mix up? What kind of?
And we mixed up the Parmesan cheese and melted butter and seasonings.
Should we do a taste test? Let's get your mom and dad in here, okay? So we have Danielle, Penelope, and Kennedy for the taste test. Go ahead and try it.
Ooh. I go with the leg first. What do you think? Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
Well, you're a good cook.
I agree.
There you go. It's good.
I agree.
All right. Thanks for cooking, Penelope.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
It smells good, guys. The cheese smells so good. I promise you.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.